Stick with us so we can show you the 5 simple steps to get a fire like this at home.
Welcome, it's Denson Day Whitehall, and today we're going to be showing you how to light the perfect fire.
Step 1 is to get some newspaper, some ads, and make sure you ball them up. Next, grab yourself some kindling or twigs, but make sure you break them so that they're appropriate size for your pit. Step 3 is another crumpled layer of newspapers or ads. Step 4 is to get some logs and make a tent or a teepee out of them so you get good airflow. We like to use a mix of different sizes and split and unsplit. Step 5 is to go ahead and light that base layer, so the bottom layer of crumpled newspapers, ads, or even use junk mail. And those are our 5 simple steps to get a great fire without any lighter fluid or any cheater gas. Now, if you stick around, we're going to show you the extra credit, or maybe even the most important step of building this fire. And that's to sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and enjoy the family and a good evening. If you want to see where we got a lot of this wood for this fire, be sure to check out our tree trimming video. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this, hit like so others can enjoy it too, and join the Dan Sun community. All our best.